my back scratched.
I ordered the same wake-up call and I didn't get anything.
Oh my gosh, Lincoln, how come you're so lucky? Oh, I didn't get my head scratched this morning.
It's the long hair.
I have long hair.
It's the blonde hair.
I was born with blonde hair. There's no way out of this. You're gonna scratch my head. No. Cody, you're gonna get all of the apples and pears picked up out of the yard before you go to school so Dad can mow the lawn. I'm going to finish packing. I've got plenty of bags packed, but we are not finished yet. Good morning. I heard that lady woke you up in the middle of the night.
Oh my goodness, she kept barking because she got into the tub. And I was like, lady. And so I got her and I got mad at her. I was like, lady, shh. Like,
do not get in the tub in the middle of the night.
Who did she go to bed with last night? Because Mom brought her in and she went straight downstairs.
Yeah, I tried getting her to give to lady. Who'd she sleep with?
I didn't have her.
She didn't sleep with me.
So she was roaming free, was she? Done doing the boys' haircuts, everyone's haircuts, and we are almost all the way packed. Boys, are you getting done? Okay, I want you guys to be done. 4:30 a.m. pickup call. I think there's quite enough room for all of us, and then some. Let's go to the airport. How was your 3-hour nap?
I didn't know I could take a nap.
Excuse me?
I didn't know I could. Usually I never fall asleep.
Oh, I thought you said I couldn't take a nap. I was like, no. I laid right in between you and Lincoln and slept for 3 hours right along with you. We put on spa-like music and we all just took a little snoozer because we've got some plans today. You try it.
What? Should I try it? I'm so scared.
Stadium experience with information about the ballpark, dining options, games, and next. Make sure you also go to the tickets tab and select the offers icon.
You like seaweed?
Profile link in the top
You just don't like the spam?
and remember all of your Walmart check-ins.
Nice. I love that he likes the seaweed. Just doesn't like the spam. Nice. Good job, Lee.
You're so weird.
Well, we're one of the last people to leave because the kids did not want to stop. We didn't want to leave.
Does that mean we get a movie?
We may not have won, but it was still a fantastic game.
Oh, it was a great game.
We liked both teams.
The entire Mariners team is all along here, and Boston wanted a picture with the Moose. Why not? Why not? I like it.
I speak for everybody when I say tonight's game was incredible. None of us wanted to leave. We all stood in our seats just watching everybody pile out and leave, and we just had the biggest smile on our faces. And I don't know if it's because the weather was amazing. It was just an all-around really great experience. And we love baseball. Like, we love watching it as a family. Now, I don't know if you guys remember the last time we were in Seattle. Well, all I'm gonna say is we are making up for the last time. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, because you're not gonna wanna miss it. All right, boys, you say goodnight? Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.